Namaskaram and welcome to all our dear customers. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive handwoven sarees. Started in the year 2012, now we have 17 stores all across South India. Be it the quality, the collection or the prices, we always provide the best of the best to our dear customers. So please make sure you are visiting your nearest VML store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees. Today's episode is going to be about very lovely, very precise and very interesting ikat sarees. But let me first show the saree that I'm wearing, a lovely Kanchipattu saree. This one is a beautiful sea green with pink color Kanchipattu saree, and on the body we have very lovely pattern. So we have these circular buttees. Inside the circular buttees we have another circle butte. This work is in champagne gold saree. Very contemporary style work is there. And the border has cross lines with paisleys, and inside the paisleys we have florals in gold zari. The pallu for this one has cross lines in zari with small zari boxes and small floral buttees inside them in gold zari. This saree has a beautiful contrasting blouse which has self-embossed work all over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Now I'm going to show you the first beautiful ikat saree in white and red color. Let's have a look at it. This very beautiful ikat saree in white color has elephants with florals inside diamonds all over the body, and all this work is in ikat design. And we have very colorful palette. We have red, yellow, orange and green. The border of this one has small florals in lines in ikat design, and then we have this elegant curry in gold zari. The contrasting pallu has small florals inside lines in ikat style design, and we have zari lines. We have small curry also in gold zari. And the saree is a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, let me tell you that we provide global courier service, which means no matter where you are sitting when you place an order for your sarees, we will deliver your sarees to you in no time. Here I have a very beautiful, very elegant saree. This one is in navy blue with red color. Let me show you the body. On the body, we have dancing woman motif. We have florals inside diamonds. All this work is in ikat style. We have beautiful small floral buttees also all over the body. Lovely color palette is there. Our border, a contrasting red color border, has diamonds with florals and leaves and lines in ikat style design, and then we have cross lines in gold zari. Here's the contrasting pallu, which has diamonds with florals in lines in ikat style design, and we have zari lines in small zari kadi in gold zari. Here we have a contrasting blouse in red color for your blue saree, which has small floral buttees in ikat style weave. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide cash and delivery option only in Hyderabad. This one is a very beautiful saree in a classic combination of green with red, and one of my personal favorites too. Let me show you the body of this one. On the beautiful green color body, we have huge elephant buttees. We have horses and lions. We have peacocks, and we have soldiers. Looks like a hunting scene from the jungle. Very interesting, very beautiful design is there. Very bright color palette. Here's the contrasting border for this green saree, which is in red color and has florals and leaves jal in ikat style design in green and yellow color. The contrasting pallu in red color has triangles, and inside that we have florals and ikat design. Very beautiful work, very lovely color palette. Here's the lovely plain but very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, these weavers' prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Here's a very beautiful off-white with red color ikat saree. Let me show you the body. On the body, we have zigzag lines, we have red color lines, we have yellow color lines. Lovely pattern is there. Very elegant, very beautiful. Here's the border which has floral buttees in cross diamonds in ikat style design, and then we have gold zari kadi. Very simple yet very beautiful work. Our contrasting red color pallu has florals and cross checks in ikat style design in off-white color. And our contrasting blouse also has florals in cross checks in ikat weave. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, you can also shop for our sarees by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box. These links will take you to our website kanchivmal.com, and there you can add this beautiful saree and many such more lovely sarees to your cart and place the order right away. Here we have a very classy red with black color ikat saree. Let me show you the body. On the body of this one, we have leaf buttees, and that is ikat style work. Very simple, very elegant, very classy. The border, which is in black color, has gold zari kadi all over it. And then we have these peacocks, very stylized peacock designs with small diamonds. The work is in orange and yellow color, very bright and very colorful palette is there. Our contrasting pallu in black color has zari lines in gold zari. And then we have these colorful peacocks with florals and ikat style design. Here we have the contrasting blouse in black color for your red saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we also have a very special service, so you can shop through online video calling also. All you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience and show you all the beautiful collections in various price ranges to you very personally. Here we have a very bright and beautiful mustard with pink color ikat saree. Let me show you the body. On the body, we have cross lines in a very zigzag style, and there's a combination of grey with mustard on the body. The border, which is in bright pink color, has gold zari kadi, which is very simple yet very elegant. And then we have elephants in boxes with small florals, and all this work is in ikat style. Here's the contrasting pallu in pink color, which has huge elephant motifs, and then we have elephants with florals and leaves jal, and all this gorgeous work is in ikat style weave. This is the contrasting blouse for your beautiful mustard color saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The Weavers prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. You can also shop for our sarees by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box, which will take you to our website, that is kanchivml.com. You can also shop through video calling. All you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience and show you all the beautiful sarees in various price ranges too. Dear customers, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which was about lovely ikat sarees. They have such precise work. They have very lovely designs over them in various colors too. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.